Hey, happy Friday, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama. I think I may have stumbled into something new and innovative for us. Check out those cabinets. They remind me of an urban oak, but we've got a little different kind of grain going on here. I did hear a rumor earlier that I was going to see some new types of cabinets, so I think I may have discovered them. Anyways, standing here in a Maplecrest 16 by 66 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and I haven't quite seen this color combination together. We've got glacier quartzite on the countertops and that urban oak color on the bottom on the cabinets. Added some black handles there, and gas stove, standard hood, and this beautiful hutch over here now. And a lot of times you guys are going to see the hutch on the top is going to have the glass in it, but not the case here. So this looks really good. I did find an option that I've never showcased before in this home. When I'm coming down to the master bedroom, I ran right into a water heater door. So that looks really nice. Usually that's a panel that just has hex screws all the way around it that you would have to take off each one of those screws. So it's nice to have a door. That way, if you need to access it, it's easy right there. So coming into the master bedroom, nice spacious master bedroom. Again, with the 46 by 61 window. And one of the features I love about this home is this huge walk-in closet. Every girl loves a walk-in closet, right? I would fit lots of my suits and blazers in there. Coming into the master bath, we've got dual sinks. And when you extend the vanity like that, you've got this nice bank of drawers and that extra cabinet on the other side. So double mirrors and 3 bulb light strips above that. They kept it pretty simple in here. I'll turn around and show you though. Oh, look here, surprise! We have a garden tub. I didn't even notice that at first, so that's excellent. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. There's also something really cool that I saw back here that I was happy to see. Coming into a nice sized living room on the way down to the other end of the home. Did I mention that I just love my job? I do. I love seeing all these different designs and how people design things differently and their personalities, how they just are expressed through their choices of the things that they put inside their home. I just love, love, love it. So we've seen a lot of transom windows in the hallway, but I just ran into this 30 by 36, which does open, and these grids are inside the glass panes, ladies, so you don't have to get in there with the Q-tips and cleaning them because they're inside of the glass. Also, this is a single hung, dual pane. It does tilt out for easy cleaning. Here's bedroom 2. Here's bath 2. Nice and simple. And finally, bedroom 3. So here we are today on this lovely Friday, getting ready to head out for the weekend. I mean, I'll be back here tomorrow. Who's kidding? And but it feels nice to be here on a Friday in this Maplecrest, 1,001 square feet, 16 by 66. We didn't talk about this. Corner sink. Hello. Like I said, lots of new and innovative things coming from Champion next year, sooner than next year. Actually, next week, you guys are going to see some videos and you're going to see me in front of the camera where I'm going to talk about the new things that we're unveiling. We've got some new accent walls. We got new cabinetry coming, and we just keep doing it better and better and bigger and making homes for you guys. You know, you give me the feedback, I give it to the people that need to hear it, and we're so happy. We're happy with what we do, and we put the energy into the home. So I really appreciate you guys watching. All of my information is below if you want to come take a tour. It's really cool having this channel to be able to express myself. I've got a friend coming from, his name is Dan, coming from South Jersey next week. So give me a call. Come see me. We'll put you in a hotel. We do reimburse some travel expenses as well. And let's talk about it. Thanks for watching.